After weeks of shutdown due to the novel coronavirus pandemic, some states in the nation are beginning to slowly reopen by easing restrictions on citizens and businesses. Some businesses in certain states will be able to operate at 25 to 50% or higher capacity. Some businesses are taking it upon themselves to invest in UVC disinfection devices that kill bacteria, viruses, mold, and spores on surfaces, in the air, and in the water. Devices like our industrial-grade UV sanitation cart can help businesses planning to reopen to keep their facility sanitized and their customers safer. Our IND-UC 48-6L UVC-50C UV sanitation cart is industrial strength and can disinfect viruses in large facilities using an output range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers of germicidal UV light. This specific wavelength of UVC light kills 99% of bacteria, viruses, and mold on surfaces, including machines, equipment, and more. The powerful UVC fluorescent lamps are mounted to a portable aluminum cart for easy mobility around the room. With a recommended 30 minutes of exposure time for viruses, this device is highly efficient and offers 180 degrees of coverage. Multiple carts can be used for an even faster disinfection time that can cover a larger area, making it an ideal cleaning solution for any business. We have an extensive array of UV sanitation carts and other UV sanitation devices made right here in the US that are in stock and ready to ship today. For a full selection of our UV sanitation devices for purchase or rent, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.